Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is brought to you by Asteria hair. This is the box that the hair came in. Firstly, this is the wig. It's a natural black curly V-part wig, which the cap size is medium. It's 180% hair density. The wig length is 20 inch, and that's not all. This came with an edge brush, a pair of lashes, a melting band, a wig cap, and last but not the least, a wig storage bag. So let me take this hair out of the package and show y'all what it looks like. So this is what the inside construction of the wig cap looks like. It has 5 clip-ins and 3 wig comb, 2 on both sides and 1 at the back. It has an elastic band and also a wig strap for better security. So this is how it comes. I'm gonna cut that soon. Now take a good look at the texture and the curves. So beautiful and lush. So I'll cut these, and here revealing the V part. Now let's go ahead and install this wig. So once the wig is on your head, ensure the clip-ins are open. Place it on the cornrow and clip. Then go ahead and adjust the wig comb on both sides and the back of your wig. Now I'm gonna do the crochet method so that it will look natural, and this part is a visual learning process. Do not skip, just watch and learn. So this is what the before and after of the crochet method looks like. I'm gonna spray some water on the hair and a little bit of hair conditioner. After that, I'll run my hands through the hair. It's really soft, so I don't need to use a comb on it for now. My final thought and what I like about this hair is the fact that it does not shade. The density of the hair is mad amazing. I love the texture and the curl pattern. Overall, this hair is 10 over 10. And everything you need to know about this hair is in the description box. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. I know a lot of people will be bothered on how to take down this wig. All you need to do is unclip the hair from the comb roll. Take out the wig comb beside and at the back of the wig. Now gently pull the hair as seen in the video. And voila, it's that easy. Peace out.